Hey friends, the kernel security check failure error in Windows is a blue screen of death error. If you encounter it, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution is to run Windows Update. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the driver verifier manager tool. Search for verifier in the Windows search bar and open verifier, and then you can select create standard settings, click on next, and it will do the job. The next solution is to run the Windows memory diagnostic tool. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command mdsched and hit enter. Select restart now and check for problems. The next solution is to scan your hard disk for errors. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and select run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply, then on OK, and finally restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.